All right, today we're going down. Here are my scissors, my chicken shears, and we are gonna cut the wings of our chickens so they don't get out, because we keep losing them to coyotes. So they're all penned up, and we're gonna cut one at a time and put them out in the chicken yard today. They've been learning to live together with the old chickens and the new chickens, because we have 22 new hens, 3 roosters. We weren't supposed to have that many. But this hole is where a lot of our birds come out. We got that one blocked with a stone, so I got to block this one. So you see that they can come right up under this fence. You can't see that very well, but anyway, you can come right here up under this fence. So I'm going to block this hole before we work on getting their chicken feathers cut. So we'll show a few birds getting cut, and we'll have to get rid of a couple of roosters. Either give them away or put them in the freezer. All right, our roosters are crowing, all 3 of them. So they get excited when I go in there, and they try to fly away from me. So we're gonna work on, I'm gonna set this camera up. I probably need to set the camera up outside. We'll try it. So it's kind of crowded in there, so we want them to have free range. Let's see, it looks like this is a good spot. So we will work on clipping their wings. We may do a close-up in a few minutes as well, so you can see. Tim can help me hold the camera so you can see how it looks. I've looked on Facebook, on YouTube, and they do have some good videos of how to do it. So I'm a greenhorn, so I wanted people to see how a greenhorn does it. I was really nervous about cutting their wings. I didn't want to hurt them, and but I don't want them to get killed either, and we want to have chicken eggs. So I'm gonna try to hold a chicken and see if I can get it to be calm. Put my scissors up here. These guys aren't used to being held. They're gonna run from me. Okay. It's okay. Hey, buddy. All right. So we have to hold the wings out. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Those are the feathers we're supposed to cut. I'm gonna hold them. Not easy to hold them. Okay. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Keep you calm. Hey. So I don't know how to hold it and cut at the same time. Do you want to cut? Do you want to come in and cut while I hold them?
You gonna turn them out here?
Yeah.
Get you one to walk out.
And come out with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right, because you can't stand up. Oh, I gotta get the scissors. All right. Come on. All right. We're gonna come out here. So do you want me to hold and you cut?
I don't know where it could.
So you cut below these feathers right here, all across there, to the white ones.
You've seen the video.
Do you want to hold it then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. There we go. Oops, sorry. All right. So we cut these feathers right here. Hope I can do it. Well, that was easy.
That's it.
Yep, that's it. Put them down. Put her down. So she's not supposed to be able to fly. let them out, so hang on. Wants to go back in. It's gonna be a job, especially once they start talking to each other. And they know that I'm coming after them. It's okay. It's okay. All right, guys. Okay. So see these are the primaries, and these right here. You cut across there. To about, don't go past this, you know, right there. That's it. 2 down, 20 something to go. Catching them's gonna be the thing. To catch them? Have them? Oh. Yeah. Let me do a couple, and then we may go get it. Poor old things, I'm gonna make them stressed. Darn. Okay. Alright. That's going to make them all a little leery of letting me catch them. Poor old chickens. They don't know what I'm doing. Those. Yep. All right, buddy. Freedom. Okay. Woo. How many? Is that 4? Shoot. 3, 4. Oh, they're all inside now. We're going to probably have to get them out here. It's freaking them out. You're going to freedom. Going to freedom. Did you get all of them? Okay. All right. Oops. Door's left open. Oh, roosters are left. Do we want to clip the roosters or just get them out?
We ought to clip them, but I don't need the dogs eating more than...
Well, that's true. Okay. Now we're going to have to, yeah, have to flush them out. They all went back inside. let that down. All right. Now we can go back and let the door shut. It's okay, little chicken. It's okay. Come on. No, I'm gonna turn it off. I just wanna work on. Where'd they go? Oh, they're inside. Okay. See the, yeah, start here. Yep. There you go. Freedom. All right. Oh, yeah. Well, you were easy. All right. Don't get your head through it. No, 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 no. Okay, hold the neck, hold the neck. Don't get your head through it. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna grab the neck. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Oh, you're jumping.
Look at him. Look at him. They're surrounding him.
Oh my gosh, I should get a picture. Let me get a video. They're all surrounding my cat. They're all walking around her. They're brand new to cats. My cats always come in the chicken yard. These are all new chickens. They don't know what a cat is. Oh my goodness. She's just looking at them. I know she can run. Anyway. That's so cute. I guess it's cute. She'll run. She's got a place to run. She's just watching them. All right. Here we go with the next one. All right. Hold them by the neck. Seems to get them calm. Hey, pretty girl. Good. There you are. Freedom. All right. We're getting there. Halfway, maybe? I don't know.
I doubt it.
Yeah, maybe not. Got more inside. This is one of our old jerk chickens who got out when I tried to open the door. She knows where to go. She went down to the feed, so she was easy to get with the net. So we'll try to work on getting her out of this net and clipping her wings, as we only have a few more left. We're almost done, and I think it's 9:15. We started at about 8:30, so we're doing really good to get about 32 chickens clipped. So not a bad job for a morning. So we'll keep working at it, get the last few. I think there's about 5 or 6 in there, maybe less, and we'll be done. All right, it took us just under an hour, or an hour, right at an hour, to clip all of our chickens. So the hard part was not in clipping. That was easy. So what I figured out, so I had to catch them, and catching them was stressful to them and to me. But doing it with the net, holding them lightly by the neck, it calmed them down immediately. So everybody's out, full freedom. We're gonna watch and make sure they can't get over the fence. And so no eggs yet. They're 5 months old tomorrow. So they've incorporated with our older chickens. We have 6 or 7 older hens, and we have 3 roosters. We need to probably get rid of a rooster. But anyway, so we have their yard, which has lots of chips in it, keeps it dry and clean. And so they're ready for full-time life in the chicken yard. I'm gonna work on getting an eggmobile built, and we're gonna work on doing chickens out in the field because it's so good to fertilize our fields with their scratching and their poops and all their stuff. So that's our next project for our chickens. These may not be enough to do that. So we may get more chickens during the summer and get them ready for the eggmobile.